Right, okay, morning everyone. I'm back again with our daily maths workout, Fluent in 5, week 22, and we are doing day 2. So these are the questions, just in case you haven't got your booklet, and if you pause the video and have a little go and see how fast you can do them and let me know, okay? Anyone commenting in the box, I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible, okay? Right, let's go for it. So number 1, 12 times 1/3. How are we going to do that? 12 times 1/3. Okay, I hope you've remembered by now my little song. Multiply by the top, divide by the bottom. So I'm going to multiply by the top first. We can do that straight away. So 12 times 1 is 12. 12 what? 12 thirds. And then the number at the top of the fraction is bigger than the bottom, so it's improper. So I can divide. How many 3's go into 12? 3, 6, 9, 12. 4 exactly. So 12 thirds is the same as 4 whole. And I know that because if I had 1, 2, 3, 4 pies and I cut them into thirds, now these are not completely accurate, because they should all be the same size when you're chopping things into fractions. But you can see if I ate 1, 2, 3 thirds of that pie, I'd have ate a whole pie. 4, 5, 6 thirds or 2 pies. 7, 8, 9 thirds or 3 whole pies. 10, 11, 12 thirds, which is the same as 4 whole. That's my eating pattern at the moment. I think I could actually eat 4 whole pies at the moment in this little lockdown. See if you got the same answer as me. Did you get it right? Okay, question number 2. We've got 1,672 times, I'll do this a little bit bigger, 47. So we're doing long multiplication. Long because I'm timesing by more than 1 digit. Okay, so I'm going to do more than 1 line of calculations, aren't I? I'm going to times by the 7 first because that's in the units column, and I'm going to use my trusty post-it note which lives on my radiator now. So let's do it. 1,672 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 4 in the box. Let's put the 1 on the doorstep because it's free at the moment. 7 times 7 is 49. Add my 1 is 50. 0 in the box. 5 on the doorstep. 6 times 7 is 42. Add the 5 is 47. Put the 7 in the box and the 4 on the doorstep. Of course, you can cross these out as well if you get a little bit confused about where you're up to. Cross them off once you've used them. 1 times 7 is 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. No more maths to do, so start a new column. I'll put the little thousands comma in there because it helps us to read the numbers out loud. Okay, next. Don't need him anymore. Don't need that 4. Right, I'm going to cross over the 7 now. I'm going to, cover over the 7 now because I don't need it anymore because I'm timesing now by 4. But the 4 stands for, because it's in the tens column, 40. So I need to put in the viz, the very important 0, because I'm timesing by 40, not 4 really. So off we go again. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 in the box. 7 times 4 is 32.
Airlines have suffered. British Airways is now close to a deal that will mean 80%.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Oh my god, I made a mistake there. 7 4s are 28. So 8 in the box again. 2 this time. I'm going to fly it in the air because I've got no doorstep, no room on my doorstep left. 6 times 4 is 24. Add the 2, 25, 26.
It'll happen again.
Put the 2 up there. And 1 times 4 is 4. Add the 2 in, 6. So let's put that one in the box as well. As with all of these videos, if you see me make a mistake, maybe I didn't have my Weetabix this morning and I haven't got my maths brain on. Who knows? Let's find out. Right, 4 add 0 is 4. 8 add 0 is 8. 8 add 7 is 15. 5 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 6 add 1 is 8. 6 add 1 is 7. So the answer is 78,584. And that would have been 2 marks. Don't forget to give yourself 2 marks if you got that right. How many marks would I have gotten if I had gotten that answer wrong? Possibly 1, because I would have only made 1 mistake. But never mind. We got there in the end.
Make sure that all that capacity is used for NHS staff where it's not.
Question number 3. Really easy. 740 add 50. So as with yesterday's maths, I did some maths in the target maths book yesterday, and we did using place value to add and subtract large numbers mentally. And I can do this pretty easy because I can see all I need to do is add 5 tens into the tens column. So I've got a ones column, I've got a tens column next door, and I've got a hundreds column here. And the only number I'm going to have to add is 5 into the tens column. So 5 tens add 4 tens would be 9 tens. So I've got 790 is the answer. Pretty easy to do. Oh. Right, question number 4. Oh, 4/5. Add 4/5. Too easy, really, because the denominators are the same. So I wonder why they've put this one in. I think I've spotted why. Because 4 add 4 is 8. We don't add the denominators, so 8/5. I've spotted something about that fraction straight away. The top number is heavier than the bottom number, so it's an improper fraction, so I'm going to have to do a divide. I'm going to have to turn it into a mixed number. So how many 5s go into 8? I've got 1, and what's left over? 6, 7, 8. There are 3 left over. 3 what? 3/5. So the answer is 1 3/5. That's why it's sneakily being put into there. And the final one. Don't forget you can do these ones in any order, so please drop your comments into the box if you did it a different way to me. 5 times 5. Sorry, oh, told you I haven't got my maths brain on this morning. 5 times 6 times 2. Ooh, which way around shall I do it? I think I'm going to just do this bit first. 5 times 6, which is 30, and then double it. So 5 times 6 is 30, and then I want to do 30 times 2, which is 60. Okay. Did you get the same answers as me? Let me know. See you soon. Bye.